I think Kahoot is quite famous, but I can show an example. Well, Kahoot basically allows you to create surveys, games, questionnaires, well, educational ones. Okay, this is, for example, a class of mine learned about animals and about body parts of animals. I use that to have a quiz in class. What happens is that all of the students connect with their mobile phones while you show the question on a screen. Each one of them answers, and then the app ranks the best score according to obviously correct answers, but also speed. It's really simple, really easy making these questions. It takes, I don't know, maybe, well, once you do 2 or 3 of those, it can take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes.